Hey everyone, in this video I want to offer some natural beauty tips and it's going to be kind of different, so bear with me. I'm all about folks embracing their naked natural selves and just being confident in the skin that you're born in. And I feel like society is pretty screwed up because I feel like folks are still being pressured to look a certain way and act a certain way, and that doesn't make any sense to me. So let's get right into it. When it comes to your body, I feel like you should be confident in whatever body type that you have, whether it be big or small or somewhere in the middle. Be confident with it and only change if you need to for health related reasons. Like, don't feel like you need to change because you want to be more attractive. Feel beautiful in every stage that you're in life. So if you have a little butt, nothing is wrong with that. Rock that little butt. If you have a big butt, nothing is wrong with that. Rock your big butt. If you have thin lips, nothing is wrong with that. Rock your thin lips. If you got a stomach that pokes out, you know what? You better let it all hang loose. If you got a flat tummy, well, guess what? Let that hang loose too. Just be confident with your body. Don't try to go changing it. And honestly, when it comes to like getting surgery and all that, that can lead to all kinds of complications. And it's best to just leave that stuff alone and just be happy with the way that you are. It'll bring you so much more peace when you're content and happy with who you are and when you really truly love yourself. When it comes to makeup, I think makeup is another form of art. Do I wear it? No, because it's just not me. But sometimes I slap on some lipstick because I think it might look cute with a certain outfit. I look at it as being an accessory and not a necessity. Like, you should never feel ugly without it, Like, you should never be more confident with it. You should be confident with it and confident without it. It is just an accessory. Don't treat it like it's a mask or a crutch or some kind of shield or guard to cover up who you are. Don't wear it to the point where you were looking completely different, trying to change yourself because you to feel comfortable with your face. Wear the makeup and don't let the makeup wear you. Your personality, I look at that as being a part of beauty because it's your inner beauty. Don't change to make other people comfortable with who you are. What's the point of pleasing other people? The only person you should be worried about making happy is yourself. Other people, they are not in your skin. You deal with you 24/7. So don't try to change for someone else. For instance, I am so goofy. I'm really ignorant. I talk dumb. I love to laugh. I love to make myself laugh. Even if folks find me peculiar, oh well, I'm going to keep being myself. So I say that to say this. If you're a little on the quiet side, keep being quiet. If you're loud and feisty, you keep being loud and feisty. If you're sassy, you keep being sassy. If you're serious, you keep being serious. Don't be rude though. Never be rude. Don't do that. That's not nice. But what I'm saying is just, be confident with who you are and don't worry about making other people okay with who you are. As long as you're okay with yourself and you're still respecting others and respecting yourself, that's all that matters. Don't try to get other people's attention. Don't try to get other people's approval. You can never make everyone happy. Just focus on making yourself happy because you have to live with you at the end of the day. I feel like some insecurities come from other people's opinions and perspectives. Suppose you always thought that you were cute. You never saw anything wrong with your face. And then all of a sudden somebody walks up to you and like, oh my God, your lips are so thin and your nose is like crooked. And then you start thinking to yourself, oh my God, like, yeah, my lips are pretty thin and my nose is weird. And you start developing these negative thoughts about yourself that were never there before. You always thought you looked fine. So guess what? Just because somebody else noticed something that they think is a flaw, that doesn't mean that it is. Like, if you were confident before it and you never saw a problem before it, then you shouldn't after someone else says something. Like, I never noticed that I had small lips, but you know, people used to playfully say, oh, your lips are so small to be black. Now, that's not going to make me think, oh my God, I need to go and get fillers and change my face because my lips aren't big enough to be a black woman. Absolutely not. I'm going to rock these little lips, you know. I'm going to rock my stomach that's not flat. I'm going to rock my bushy eyebrows when I am unable to get my eyebrows waxed, you know. And it's a process. You're not just gonna wake up and be like, boom, like this is me. Sometimes it's a process. So just be patient with yourself. Don't let other people change how you look at yourself, and be mindful that we are constantly growing as humans, as people. So love yourself through every stage of life, because you're going to keep changing, you're going to keep evolving. So just love yourself, and when you start doing that, like, you will experience this peace that is unexplainable. You will have this confidence that's unexplainable. Don't ever be cocky though, because that's awful. don't be cocky. Just be confident, you know, be humble. And if you ever experience someone who is like super rude to you and negative, as hard as it can be sometimes, just ignore it. You don't have to worry about pleasing other people. Just work on accepting you for you. And if you got people around you that are just nasty all the time, chances are you need to separate yourself from those folks, no matter who they might be. So I hope that this video made sense. I hope I inspired someone. I hope I didn't offend anyone. I just want to encourage others and, you know, help people get over their insecurities, because I know what it's like to be insecure. And like I said, I have definitely gotten better, and I'm working through other things. And I really believe that we as people should use our stories to inspire others, because some people feel alone with what they're going through, and they need to know they have someone they can relate to. So yeah, just be confident and love yourself. And as always, have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching, and please fall in love with who you are.